All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So pedal, peddle, paddle, and peddle. So pedal, something you push on to get things moving. So a bicycle has a pedal. Let's try and get a picture of a bicycle. Bicycle, very good. So here is the pedal. There we are. It has a pedal. This part right there, it goes around and around. These pedals are useful. The faster the pedals go, the faster you move. How cool is that? Very good. Now, paddle to help a boat move along. So let's try and get a paddle. Oh, perfect. Perfect, yes, paddle. Oops. Okay. Perfect, yeah. Paddle faster. Here we are. Paddle faster. I can paddle. Let's change that. I can paddle with the oars. The oar. So these things are the oars. Paddle. Paddling with the oar. Paddle. Yeah. We have to paddle all day. All day. Yeah. Paddling is good exercise. Yeah. I recommend paddling because you can build arm muscle. Paddling. Yeah. How cool is that? Very good. Now, pedal, to try and sell something. Peddle something to sell. Let's have a look. Sell, maybe. Okay. Yeah, anything. Yeah, this in a way, I guess. Very good. Very good. He peddles all sorts of things. He is going to try and peddle you something. He peddles food on a market stall. They always peddle new things. Selling stuff. We'll need to peddle these things as soon as we can. In the future, I will have a lot of unique things to peddle and sell. Sell them, just peddle them. Who can I peddle? Who can I peddle these antiques to? Who can I peddle these antiques to? How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So pedal on the bicycle, paddle in the boat, and pedal to try and sell things. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use these words in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram, as well as you can find me on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.